In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay for your Disney Plus subscription using your Google Play balance. Whether you have a gift card or Google Play credit, this method works great. First, make sure you've got the Disney Plus app installed on your Android device. Open it, sign in, or create a new account, and tap Subscribe to choose your plan. When you get to the payment screen, Google Play will automatically detect your balance. Tap on the payment method option and choose Google Play Balance if it's not already selected. If you don't see it, tap Add Payment Method and make sure your Play Store is properly linked to your account with available credit. Complete the purchase, and your Disney Plus subscription will be billed to your Google Play balance going forward. You can also manage or cancel your subscription through the Google Play Store Greater Than Payments and Subscriptions section. If this video helped you pay for Disney Plus with Google Play, please like and subscribe for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.